Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Reaks brand heated electric blanket and it's not working and it's giving you an error code, maybe an E error code or an F error code, or maybe it's just flashing and you're wondering what's going on. And so in almost all situations like this where it's not working or giving you an error, this is going to be a connection somewhere, a problem with a connection somewhere. There's enough electricity to run the controller, but there's not enough electricity to actually heat the blanket, which requires quite a bit more electricity. So what you want to do to fix this is just, first of all, turn your blanket off and unplug it. And then you just want to check the wiring going in and out of the controller and in and out of the blanket and make sure that there's nothing that's loose or disconnected or damaged or anything like that. And then the next thing you want to do is just plug it back in, but don't plug it in via an extension cord or a power strip. You want to plug it directly into the wall and get it snugly plugged in. Then turn it on, and if that gets rid of the error code, what was probably happening was that you were using an extension cord or a power strip that just wasn't heavy duty enough to carry the electricity that the blanket needs to heat up. So you can continue to use the blanket just plugged in directly to the wall, or get a more heavy duty power strip or extension cord. So anyway, I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.